In this video, I'm going to teach you how to round numbers to the nearest thousand. Alright, so I have 5 different numbers up here. When I want to round it to the nearest thousands, I find my thousands place value. So I have my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So I circle my thousands place value, and then I draw a little arrow over here to my hundreds. Because my hundreds number is going to tell me, should I take this to the next thousand? From 7,000, should I go to 8,000? Or, if this is small, do I keep this at 7,000 and we go down and make all these zeros? So, if it's 4 and below, I go down to zeros. If it's 5 or above, I go up to the next number. This one's 2, so all I have to do, 7, put my 3 zeros there. And if I'm rounding 7,281 to the nearest thousand, I get 7,000. Alright? Want to round this one to the nearest thousand? Again, I circle that. This number right here is going to tell me what to do with this number. It's either going to stay the same or it's going to go to 3. Now, 7 is 5 or above, so this 2 becomes a 3, and then we go all zeros. So 3,000. Now, if I go to a bigger number like this one, 254,125, and I want to round it to the nearest thousand, I do the same thing. I go to my thousands place value, which is 4, and then I go over here. This is a 1, so it says this one stays the same, and then zeros over there. So I still have 254,000, and then I have zeros. I've rounded it to the nearest thousand. Okay, I don't worry about 10 thousands and 100,000s. They stay the same. I'm just rounding it to the nearest thousand. Over here, I do the same thing. I go to my thousands place value. I go over here to the 6, and the 6 is 5 and above, so now I have to take this one higher. Now, by taking 9 higher, it takes it into the next place value. And this becomes a 9, or that's a 9, so it becomes a 10, which again takes it into the next place value. So then this one goes up. So I have 5. This made this go up to 10. Put it over here, this went up to 10, and that goes to 5. So rounding that way is 500,000. All right, let's do one last one. This is a million. 1,239,833. Circle my 1,000. Go over here. The 8 is 5 and above, so it tells me this one needs to go up. Again, it's a 9, so I can't go up on this one because it takes me into the next place value, so I take it over here. So now I have 1,200,000. This one goes up, and then everything else becomes zeros. So it is 1,240,000, and that is rounded to the nearest thousand.